Okay, I'm going to show you a couple of, I want to show you a couple of mistakes. So as I'm working, I noticed, wait a second, I have my two rows are the same over here all the way across. What did I do? Wait. Because then it starts going, the next row is working, but what happened? So I'm going to go back and I'm going to look. And it's over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, over, under. So I, right there, did two of the same stitch. I went over twice, which caused me to alter this next row. But since I'm already started, and many of you won't figure it out until you're maybe done 4 more stitches, 4 more rows. You don't want to pull the whole thing out. You can leave it. In some cases, you wouldn't be able to leave it because it would mess up the whole entire design. But in this scenario, you can just leave it. Now, if something happens and you mess it up, you make a mistake,